Howdy. Today I'm looking at LEGO Technic set 8216, aka the Turbo 1 or the Team Octon. Maybe I should just leave a recording that says, nice looking car that can steer and roll. Because that's what most of these are like. To be fair, this one is a fairly involved model to build, mostly because of the tubing and the spoiler structure. It's up there with the supercart in terms of complexity. Also, while it lacks an actual seat, there's space in the same area that allows any of the LEGO Technic team to go for a drive. The name Team Octon actually makes more sense here when you realise that this logo represents a fictional LEGO petrol company called Octon, obviously derivative of octane. Bring on the triple changer jokes. You'll often see the logo and even the name on other models, though not necessarily Technic's. The second model honestly looks like a backwards dragster, with the rear section being thinner than the front. Regardless, it requires a couple of extra pieces that aren't used on the Indy Racer. Plus, it's the model that can be motorized with set 8720. Unfortunately, the motor replaces the seating area, so no free rides for the drivers, I'm afraid. While I normally complain about both models being the same type of vehicle, at least with this one, the second racer has a unique look to it. That said, this set is a good buy, but don't worry too much if you can't find it right away. Next, it's back to Transformers with Power Core Combiners Heavy Tread with Ground Spike.